kiama kiaUDA nikirarutithania wira na kiama gia China kiria gikoragwo gitongorio ni Chinese Community Party ikihe hinya wa kuiumba miiciririe yakio kiria riria aramunyitire ugeni barothi wa China niwe Vijana munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua na mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kiaUDA niwe Cleophas Malala yaugite ciama ici ciakorwo ikinyitana ni maokoro makirutithania wira hamwe.
Sorry, it's a bit chilly here. The weather is terrible.
Very comfortable.
We were happy to receive your officials from the ruling party. And we developed a partnership because now the CPC and UDA are ruling parties. So we are one. And we think we should form some good partnership. I did request your delegation to consider us as your small brother, because we are a young party. Our party is hardly 1 year old. This party was formed a few months before the general election in 2022. It is undoubtedly the party of the future. It's a party that is popular across the whole country. It's a very democratic party. We allow internal democracy to thrive within the party. We let everybody do what you want, to say what you want. But we want to develop that party like the CPC, a party for a century. And we are asking for your hand as our brothers to hold our hand so that you can help us nurture our democracy. Again, we want to ask the CPC to help us to develop capacity, to train our people on how to manage a political party, how to develop the philosophy, how to build on our manifesto. So there is a lot we can learn from China. So when our Secretary General told me that the Central Committee has invited us to visit China, I was very happy, because we want to learn. How is it that a party is so strong, is even stronger than government? You know, it's really, we want to learn. So I'm very eager to come to China and spend some time to learn. We would want our UDA party to be as strong.
Na ripoti